The journey to Deosai begins. Let's see what this adventure brings.
The conditions out here are tough this morning. The roads are slick and the snow is picking up. You have to stay focused.
The tranquility of Deosai is truly unmatched. Oh, I can't wait to set up camp here tonight. After days of travel, I've finally reached the heart of Deosai. This is a perfect spot for camping. The ground is level and protected from the wind. The mountains here provide good shelter. The journey was tough, but setting up camp here in this solitude makes it all worthwhile. I'm ready.
मौसम सरमा जंगल में बका के बारे में है और आपको अपने आरामदा बिस्तर की ज़रूरत होगी। मुझे ये नरम कंबल पसंद है।
The silence of the snow, it is like a blanket for the soul. I could stay here forever. देखो, ये लकड़ी सूखी है. अब आग आसानी से जल जाएगी. Look, this wood is dry. Now the fire will light easily.
Gotta get this done before dark. Don't worry, we'll have a fire soon.
Look at that.
That's not a deer.
No.
What is that?
You're gonna be okay. It's not too bad. There, just hold still. Just hold still.
The journey was hard, but the satisfaction of returning to the warmth makes every step worth it.
Smells good. Just a little more spice. Oh, perfect. Almost ready.
तहाई में खाना एक अलग ही सुकून देता है।
Just hold on. We can do this. Brace yourself. It's too much. Hold fast. Almost got it. Don't let go. I can't see anything. Just a little further. Almost there.
Almost there. Just a little more. Safe for now. Did you hear that? It's coming closer.
Get back! 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 Stay away!
The snow is heavy. Need to secure these ropes tight.
देखो कितना खूबसूरत मंजर है. This is it. All the effort was worth it. Yes, truly breathtaking. Alhamdulillah for this moment. After all these miles, returning home feels good. It was a long journey, but worth every bit.